Top of the AM, and we know the vibes. Currently sitting at 8:55 a.m. and we are headed to Northwest, baby. Northwest DC. I see you soon. I think it's supposed to snow today, so the goal is to beat the snow. Now I don't know if we taking A or B. I don't know if we doing A or B. I can't poll y'all on what y'all think because I'll already be gone, so we just gonna go with B, the Presla. All right, and that's mainly because everything is already in here. We packed and ready to go. 2-wheel drive, so it's probably not good on ice and snow, but we're gonna make it do what it do. Not as tired as I was yesterday. Feeling good, feeling great. Remember, the goal is just to win the day sometimes, but we just gotta, keep it pushing. The great Jay-Z once said, no 2 days are alike except the 1st and 15th, pretty much. I concur. Wait. What happened? What happened to these gas prices? What happened overnight? Wait, what I miss? Hold on. What I miss? What is that? It's a good thing this Presla, it don't even matter. It's gonna take, what, $18 to fill up? Jesus. Oh, that's right. I can't write none of this stuff off until next year. Dang. All right, real quick. Something else I just heard this morning on the news. They trying to tell me that mortgage rates are going up. It made me start to think about, what survived inflation that nobody talks about. And it's pizza. Pizza is literally the same price that it was 20 years ago. To order a pizza, Domino's still got the 2 for $9.99 whenever. So how does pizza stay the same? Delivery is all the same, yet everything is just inflated and crazy. I don't know. Somebody do a study on that. In the meantime, we lit. Man, y'all better stop stunting on the Prius. I'm trying to tell you. And what y'all didn't know is that Prius got sport mode. But now, y'all, we got to figure out this pizza thing. Cause it's ridiculous. I don't know how we accept that. Okay, my people, we have finally arrived. And actually, we're not even doing TVs here. I did the TVs in the past. Again, a frame, your favorite. But this time, I think I'm just doing like shelves, like 2 shelves for them. So let's go knock this out. Add that to the kitty. We are on this path to 100,000. I think this is day 14. Anyway, check this out. All right. Boom. See the shelf? What's going right here on this wall? You know what I mean? All right. There we go. Something slight. On to the next. All right. This space. All right, people, that was another 2 that we added to the kitty, baby. All right, now you may be wondering, do I charge $200 for one for each shelf? No. I did some other stuff, hung his guitars and stuff. I didn't have that planned. So it was actually supposed to have been $150, but we added $50 because I did other little stuff for him because he's a repeat customer and I've done his TVs like I mentioned. So anyway, that's $200 on the goal. The goal today is $325. We got $200. So we're about 75% the target for the day. All right, next stop is what we call a site survey. So I'm going to go look at somebody's house and kind of assess what it is and then provide them with a quote and an estimate later. Headed to Rockville. We on the way.